What if I told you this tiny controller can turn your phone into a full gaming console in just 1 second? No clamps, no stretching, no pressure on your phone at all, just magnets. This is the Ohsnap MCON, a magnetic phone controller that snaps on instead of clipping on, and after testing it, I can honestly say this is one of the most futuristic mobile gaming accessories I've ever used. Today, I'll show you how it works, what makes it special, how it performs in real games, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the MCON already feels premium. Inside, you get the controller itself, a USB-C charging cable, a MagSafe adapter ring for Android phones, and the basic safety and setup guides. The design instantly stands out because it's thin, compact, and extremely clean. The clear version looks amazing, but it was a limited edition, so most people will be getting the black or white models. Even those still feel like proper high-end gaming hardware and not a cheap mobile accessory. The biggest reason this controller is different from everything else is the magnetic attachment. There is no clamp system at all. If you're on an iPhone with MagSafe, it snaps on instantly. If you're on Android, you attach the included adapter ring, and it works the exact same way. You simply bring the controller close to your phone, and it locks in place. The magnet is strong, so it doesn't wobble during gameplay, but it also detaches instantly when you're done. This makes switching between gaming and normal phone use incredibly fast and effortless, which is something no traditional clip-on controller can match. Now let's talk about the hardware, because this is where the MCON really surprises you. It features TMR joysticks, Hall effect analog triggers, a proper D-pad, solid face buttons, full Android navigation controls, and even a dedicated pairing button so you don't have to remember awkward button combinations. Yes, it actually has real analog triggers in a controller this thin, which is extremely rare. It also includes a built-in kickstand, so the controller can be used independently in Bluetooth mode, and it has flip-out grip wings on the back to improve comfort and stability during longer gaming sessions. Setting it up is very simple. You power it on, press the pairing button, connect with Bluetooth, snap it onto your phone, and you're ready to play. There's no app required, no calibration, and no complicated setup process. The MCON works on Android, iPhone, tablets, and PC, and it can also be used as a fully standalone Bluetooth controller. It can even pair with up to 3 different devices at once, which makes switching between platforms extremely convenient. Now, the most important question. How does it actually perform in real games? The answer is surprisingly well. The joysticks feel smooth, the triggers are very responsive, and the buttons feel solid with good feedback. It supports native mobile games, cloud gaming services like NVIDIA and Xbox, and even remote PC gaming. There's also gyroscopic aiming available when using it in standalone mode. Bluetooth latency is what you'd expect, not wired-level competitive, but absolutely good enough for serious mobile and cloud gaming. Overall, gameplay feels natural and responsive. The controller itself weighs about 130 grams, and once you attach a phone, the total weight goes past 200 grams. If you're using a heavy Pro model phone, it can feel top-heavy during longer sessions. The flip-out grip wings help with balance, but physics is still physics. If you're using a lighter phone, the experience feels much more balanced. Ergonomically, it's not the most perfect controller ever made, but for something this compact and foldable, it's still very comfortable for long gaming sessions. Battery life is rated at up to 9 hours of continuous gaming with over a year of standby time. One of the most impressive and rare features is that this controller is right-to-repair friendly. It uses standard screws, the battery can be replaced, and there is no heavy glue inside. In today's market, where most accessories are sealed forever, this is a huge win for long-term ownership. This controller is clearly designed for serious mobile gamers, cloud gamers, and players who stream games from their PC to their phones. If you play shooters, action games, racing games, or competitive titles on mobile, the MCON makes a huge difference in control. If you mostly play casual tap games, this might be overkill. But if gaming is part of your daily routine, this controller makes a lot of sense. The Ohsnap MCON starts at $149.99, which places it firmly in the premium category. It's not cheap, but it's also offering something completely different from traditional mobile controllers. You're paying for innovation, strong build quality, multi-platform compatibility, and a magnetic attachment system that genuinely changes how mobile gaming feels. It's not the most ergonomic controller ever made, but for a foldable, pocket-friendly magnetic controller that works across nearly every platform, there is honestly nothing else like it right now. If you want to check out the Ohsnap MCON, the link is in the description. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and comment below. Would you actually use a magnetic controller on your phone? Or do you still prefer traditional clip-on controllers?